For nearly a century, creative works have been protected by copyright laws. But as the 1990s rolled in, a storm was brewing. Should creators have endless rights over their creations, or should the public be allowed to enjoy them sooner? The debate over copyright duration was about to reach a boiling point. In one corner, you had artists, writers, and musicians, those who breathed life into the world's most cherished works. They argued that their creations were their livelihoods, and it was only fair that their control over them should stretch far beyond their lifetimes. But standing against them were corporations, large, powerful entities like Disney, who made billions off intellectual property. To them, longer copyrights meant more revenue, and thus the control extended further, making creative works more lucrative. In the early 1990s, Disney played its cards, lobbying fiercely for an extension of copyright protection. Their push was successful, and in 1998, the Copyright Term Extension Act was passed. Suddenly, the rights to characters like Mickey Mouse, who had once seemed like the face of an era gone by, were safe for decades longer. Creators' works now stayed under the control of their estates, often run by corporations, for up to 70 years after their death. But this shift sparked a fierce backlash. Independent artists and the public, long accustomed to the idea that creative works eventually belong to everyone, now faced a future where even the most beloved stories would remain locked behind corporate gates. What did this mean for culture? What did it mean for the future of creativity? As the debate raged on, passionate voices on both sides spoke out. Creators pointed to their struggle to keep control over their legacies, while critics argued that extending copyright meant depriving future generations of the cultural inheritance they deserved. Should we honor creators, or should we allow the collective culture to flourish by freeing those works? By the end of the debate, the question remained unresolved. Yet, the battle over copyright duration is more than just about laws. It's about what we value as a society. Do we believe in the power of the individual creator, or do we believe that ideas should be free for all? If this story resonated, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment to help the channel grow and keep these debates alive.